All right, now we have the BJP chief JP Nadda heading out at Rahul Gandhi. Says Rahul ecosystem linked to urban Naxals. Nadda says Rahul's bid to defame India at deep state's behest. Hidden no more, Congress's ugly truth now stands exposed, says JP Nadda, the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I compliment Mr. Rahul Gandhi for saying clearly what the nation knows, that he is fighting the Indian state. It's no secret that Mr. Gandhi and his ecosystem have close links with urban Naxals and the deep state who want to defame, demean, discredit India. His repeated actions have also strengthened this belief. Everything he has done or said has been in the direction of breaking India and dividing the society, says JP Nadda, the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, in a scathing attack against Rahul Gandhi. He says the ecosystem stands exposed. Rahul Gandhi's controversial statements on they have to fight the Indian state has now in fact invited the flag of the Bharatiya Janata Party, with the national president of the BJP stepping into this discourse, saying that hidden no more, Congress's ugly truth now stands exposed by their own leader, says JP Nadda. I compliment Mr. Rahul Gandhi for saying clearly what the nation knows, that he is fighting the Indian state. It is not a secret that Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his ecosystem have close links with urban Naxals and the deep state who want to defame, demean and discredit the country. Listening to what Rahul Gandhi had said that has invited flag from the BJP.
Fighting the BJP. Do not think that we are fighting a fair fight. There is no fairness in this. If you believe that we are fighting a political organization called the BJP, that we are fighting a political organization called the RSS, you have not understood what is going on. The BJP and the RSS have captured every single institution of our country. We are now fighting the BJP, the RSS and the Indian state itself. Do not think.
All right, so this is a big fight that's broken out between the BJP and the Congress as far as Rahul Gandhi's statements concerned. BJP chief JP Nadda going after Rahul Gandhi for what he had said. You just heard it from Rahul Gandhi saying that the fight really isn't against just the BJP and the RSS, but also against the Indian state. BJP says, we said so, that this is a party, this is a family, says the Bharatiya Janata Party, that is against the Indian state. Rahul Gandhi is anti-national, and adding to the narrative is of the Bharatiya Janata Party is Rahul Gandhi's latest statement, giving them enough ammunition. Aishwarya is with us, the national president of the BJP, coming out and saying that we said so. And Rahul Gandhi has said it loud and clear, Aishwarya, that they, me reading the Congress party and the Gandhis, are against the Indian state.
Well, we are seeing, how it's not just the BJP leaders, but the top leaders also, Sneha. Whenever we speak about the RSS and the BJP and it comes in from Congress, we see from the top to the bottom, everyone associated with RSS and the BJP comes out and defends it. Now we are seeing very clearly with regards to what Rahul Gandhi has said, that you have not even understood what RSS is. BJP and RSS have now taken over the entire country and all the institutes. Now we are seeing the BJP president JP Nadda coming out and saying that this is the ugly face of the Congress party, something that we have been speaking about for the past many decades. They are the ones who are anti-national. They are the ones who do not think of the nation, but everything that the RSS has done since the day it was formed till today is that they have been working for the welfare of the people and for the welfare of the nation at large. And this is what the BJP also follows. So the BJP now raising fingers at Rahul Gandhi with regards to what he has said about RSS and BJP. The Rahul Gandhi, time and again has maintained that the Congress party is fighting against BJP and RSS, and now he's gone a step further and he has said that...
Be with us, Aishwarya. I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. We have Imran Masood of the Congress party joining us as well at this point in time. Imran Masood, आप कैसे देखते हैं JP नड्डा के ये स्टेटमेंट को, जो कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी ने ये साफ बता दिया कि ये इंडियन स्टेट के खिलाफ है, और ये इंडियन स्टेट के खिलाफ है, ये JP नड्डा नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट बीजेपी का कहना है?
बीजेपी के लोगों को अपने मन से बातें गढ़ने की आदत है। ये अपने मन से बात गढ़ लेते हैं। आपने पूरे देश के अंदर सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन हाईजैक कर करके बैठ गए, सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन के ऊपर कब्जा कर कर आप इस तरह बैठ गए, उनकी स्वायत्तता आपने खत्म कर दी। उस बात को राहुल जी ने बोला है। अब इसको कहां इधर लेकर के जा रहे हैं? हेलो।
लेकिन राहुल गांधी ने इंडियन स्टेट का मेंशन इस स्टेटमेंट में किया था। वो कह रहे थे कि फाइट जो है बीजेपी और आरएसएस के खिलाफ ही नहीं है, वो इंडियन स्टेट के भी खिलाफ है। इस स्टेटमेंट को लेकर बीजेपी ने कहा है कि आप देश के खिलाफ हैं।
वो आशय इंस्टीट्यूशन है, सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन आपने कैप्चर कर लिए। इंस्टीट्यूशन की विश्वसनीयता नहीं बची है।
क्या आप ये बोलेंगे कि एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, इस स्टेटमेंट को मिसअंडरस्टैंड किया गया है?
ये बीजेपी की आदत में शुमार है कि बीजेपी के लोग अपने तरीके से घड़ने का काम करते हैं, केवल अपने तरीके से घड़ने का काम करते हैं। ये बीजेपी की आदत में शुमार है। राहुल जी को आपको क्रिटिसाइज करना है तो राहुल जी को क्रिटिसाइज करने का आपको जो उन्होंने बात कही है उसकी सफाई देंगे नहीं। आपने तोते बना करके बैठा लिए हैं, अपने हिसाब से आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे इंस्टीट्यूशंस को।
दिल्ली के चुनाव के वक्त इस तरह का जो स्टेटमेंट आया है, आप मानेंगे कि ये कांग्रेस को डैमेज कर सकता है?
बिल्कुल नहीं डैमेज कर सकता है। लोगों को सच्चाई पता चलनी चाहिए कि देश किधर चल रहा है। जहाँ चुनाव है आपकी ईडी सक्रिय हो गई, आपकी सीबीआई सक्रिय हो गई, आप नेताओं को घेरने के चक्कर में लगते हैं। तो सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन आपने तबाह और बर्बाद कर दिए। देश को किधर लेके जा रहे हैं? लोकतांत्रिक देश है हमारा।
Imran Masood, शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। Imran Masood of the Congress Party, the MP from Uttar Pradesh, talking about the fact that this is a clear case of the BJP twisting the statements of Rahul Gandhi. What he meant was that the fight is against the institutions that have been captured by the BJP. A reaction also has come in. Let's take a listen.
विधानसभा चुनाव में अलग अलग लड़ रहे हैं। हमने लोकसभा चुनाव 7 लड़ा था, हम विधानसभा चुनाव में अलग अलग लड़ रहे हैं और जाहिर सी बात है स्वतंत्र हैं लोग, आंतरिक लोकतंत्र है। हम मजबूती के साथ दिल्ली को शीला दीक्षित जी वाली दिल्ली बनाने की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं और राहुल गांधी जी उसके लिए मैदान में उतरे हैं, पूरी कांग्रेस पार्टी उसके लिए मैदान में उतरी है। कौन किसके साथ खड़ा है ये मायने नहीं रखता, हम संविधान के साथ खड़े हैं ये मायने रखता है।